Hi beautiful people, my name is Caroline Wambui and welcome back to this beautiful and amazing channel. Today I want us to clean the living room together, and later on after the whole cleanup I'm going to go to the supermarket and do some shopping. So in this same video we are going to do a mini haul, so stick around and make sure you watch to the end and leave a beautiful comment. So in case you are new to this channel, karibu sana. We love visitors. I normally post my videos on Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday at 2 and on Sunday at 2:30 p.m. So make sure you join the Premier Gang so that you can be part of the live interaction. So watch to the end and make sure you don't forget to comment. Yeah. So for the carpet, I decided to first spot clean it, and I was using some washing powder and water. So I was using the foam because I don't have any specific item for cleaning. That's what I usually use. Later on, I'll take it outside for airing. I will also clean my seats a little bit because they are a bit dusty, and I will also take care of the floors. I really struggled to get some space to clean behind the seats, but finally I had to just jump over the seats because lifting the seats was also a problem because of the space. But I finally cleaned below this seat, but the other one I had to just throw my duster under to do the cleaning. It was a bit dusty. I have just been wondering how dust normally get under the seats because it was too much. And we can only pray God for this rain so that we can stop doing cleaning a lot, because this is too much. Every weekend I have to pull up this seat so that I can do the cleaning. From the water you can tell how dusty that floor was, but I'm going to rinse the floor again after I finish wiping the seats.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
So in this channel we try and make our cleaning as simple as possible. So if you don't have the cleaning products, just use some water and make sure you don't use a lot on the seats. Just make sure you rinse whatever you are using properly. So for me, I was just using some water, washing powder and some disinfectant, and that was it.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
rinsed the floor after everything, and later in the evening we went to the supermarket to do some small shopping. So I'm going to do a mini haul after I get to the house.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
So guys, I've only bought what is necessary and what will take us for the month, and I've just bought a few items and I will show you what I got. These are very expensive and you cannot afford to buy something that you're not going to come and use. So I will start with these are lentils. These ones I've gotten them from a cereal shop, and 1 kg is going for 240 shillings. So I bought half a kg, 120 shillings. So this one I will have to restock when I get the money, when I'm buying cereals, that is. I also bought some 2 kg of rice. In this house, we normally consume rice more, but this one will only go for 2 weeks or something like that, because I have another kg left. So I'll have to restock this shopping, and especially for the cereals in some weeks to come. So this is 2 kgs of rice, and I bought the Kangore brand. It cooks so well, for 150 shillings per kg. So this was 300 shillings. A loaf, we have stayed for such a long time without taking loaf in this house. Normally do packets and these other things. So I also bought this tiara tissue, and it is very soft. It looks very soft, and it was on offer. This 4-pack was going for 184 shillings, which is a bit fair. So I got the 4-pack. So I also got myself 1 piece of sanitary towel at 69 shillings. So allow me not to mention the prices of what I can't remember. I also got this Star Soft, the Spring Fresh, 400 ml. Steel wire. I normally use the Sokoni brand. Bleach or Jik. And I got for 250 ml, 160 shillings. I also got this Menengai soap. I requested them just to cut it for me, and this one was going for 260 shillings. I have never used this brand. I just want to have a different, just to change a little bit from the normal Menengai I normally use. So I got this at 260 shillings. I also got this Msafi washing powder. Nowadays, I'm not loyal to brands. I go for what is cheap. So this is 500 grams. It will go for the whole month because I've not finished the other one. And there is this added soap here. I can't remember if it was 150 or thereabout, but it was not more than 150 shillings. I also got this Sunlight. I want to wash my sufurias because they have Arabic stain, and I'll be using this and this. So those are the toiletries and the rice. So I also got for the foodstuffs. We don't eat a lot in this house. I say we normally do rice most of the times, because for school my baby normally carries the rice more. So I don't love this spaghetti. My daughter eats like alone. So I got 1 pack. I didn't check for the price. I also got a few packets of milk for the week. So these are 5 packets. They will take me up to Thursday, because today is Saturday and we use a packet per day. So those ones will take us up to Saturday. But I think up to Thursday, if I get the money, I will do a whole carton, other than buying the piece, 1 per piece. So I also got these ones for my baby. These are her 4 o'clock snacks, and they will also take me up to maybe Wednesday. 1 liter of cooking oil, I can't remember the price, I didn't check. 1.5 kgs of sugar. And finally is this 2 kg of ugali. This is what we use the whole month with my daughter. We are not ugali people, and this one will be enough for us. This brand of rice, of unga, I had bought it last time and I didn't, it's not a bad one. That's why I've just decided to get the same one. It's the premium maize meal called Purple Apple. It's a good one. You can try it out and give a review of the same. So that's it about the shopping. I think we are good to go, even though I don't think this will be enough for the month, especially for the rice. But for the rest of the items, I can comfortably use everything for the coming 3 weeks. So if you have watched this video up to this point, allow me to say asante sana. Let me see you in my next vlog. Sorry, my phone had a call. I had to cut it. So let me see you in my next vlog on Tuesday, Thursday, and on Sunday at exactly 2:30. On Tuesday and Thursday, I usually post my videos at exactly 2 p.m. So if you're new to this channel, kindly join my Premier Gang so that we can interact during the uploading of the video. Bye bye guys. I love you and thank you so much for your support.